Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying the stream and local volumes so you don't chase ghosts. First, make sure Twitch and your broadcasting app aren't muted, then check system sound and app-specific sliders. Once done, open OBS or Streamlabs and confirm the correct capture device is added, desktop audio mic, or an audio input capture. You're doing this to isolate whether the problem is source selection versus mixing or output. If the wrong device is selected, audio will be absent even when everything else looks normal. Now dig into routing and encoding because mismatches often cause silent streams. You should confirm virtual cables or aggregate devices route the right output into OBS. Use WASAPI or kernel streaming consistently. Then check encoder settings. Audio bitrate and sample rate must match your system or Twitch ingest, 44. 1 or 48 kHz. Mismatches can drop audio. Also test Twitch playback in an incognito window or a separate browser to rule out extensions. Once you standardize routing and encoder settings, you'll know if it's a mixer issue or platform/browser problem. Finish by validating with a private stream or a local recording so you can inspect the file directly. If you still hear nothing, remove and recreate the audio source or reset the scene to clear corrupted bindings. Make sure drivers and firmware for your interface are current. Reinstall drivers if needed. If audio remains absent after restarts, swap to a basic microphone or headset to eliminate hardware faults. One key tip: always reproduce the issue with a local recording first. If local
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.